Have you ever heard of a chaffle? Hey everyone! So this is not a typical video for me, but a while back my husband was diagnosed with diabetes. He has thankfully been able to control it with diet. He's not on any medications or anything. So he has adopted a low-carb lifestyle, and I am trying to do my best to keep it interesting. It's not always easy. He does drive for a living, so he's on the road a lot, and there's not a whole lot of things other than salads and hard-boiled eggs and stuff like that that I can keep him in. So anyway, we are exploring the chaffle situation. If you don't know what a chaffle is, it is basically a shortened word for cheese and egg waffle. There's no flour. Basically, it's cheese and egg. Cheese and egg, and then you can add whatever you want to it. I am adding some bell pepper, and I added a little bit of salsa. Sometimes we do bacon, sometimes we do sausage. Just keep it within the low carb realm. You can add maybe jalapeno. Go ahead and start with 2 eggs. And then go ahead and mix those up. I really like to put Italian seasoning in them, but I don't have any today. So I just kind of give everything a little stir after each thing that I put in. And then the cheese, like I said, I don't measure the cheese. There are lots of recipes for this online. There's some that call for almond flour if you want them more bready. But really, it's so flexible and so forgiving, this recipe. The egg is basically your carrier for everything. Mix that up and add my bell pepper. And it's that simple. And then take it over to the waffle maker. This is a Dash 4 mini waffle maker. I used to have just the little round ones that was so popular a little while ago, but I found this one works much better, much faster. So I'm going to link that in the description because it's a fabulous little waffle maker. And then you cook them. I like to cook them a lot because I like them to be crunchy. But when they come out to be these wonderful little carby looking waffles that really don't have any carbs in them, or very, very few carbs in them. They are crisp and yummy, and a lot of people will use these as a substitute for bread to make sandwiches, a bun for hamburgers, but anyway, they are quite yummy. And it's something that I can stick in a container and send on the road with him as well. These are almost done. Like I said, I like to keep them in there for quite a while because I like them crispy. Anyway, just a thought. If you're looking for some low-carb alternatives, try the chaffle. All right, making more chaffles. This will be a little one.